Hola, I'm Darkis and welcome to my studio. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to draw an ear, and the reference link is on the description. For my paper, I'll be using the Strathmore's Artagain 6x9 inches in coal black. And I'll be using a mix of colored pencils from different brands. The main colors I'll be using are white, gray, and black. For my midtones, I'm using the slate gray. So I start off by drawing dots where I want my ear to be placed. Then I draw a soft outline. As I'm drawing, I keep the reference photo in front of me. And I keep looking at it from time to time to serve me as a guide. I also pay close attention to the angles. Once I have a rough sketch of the outer lines, I draw the image by looking at the shapes. And here are some examples of what I'm talking about. Remember not to put too much pressure on the paper. Here I'm barely touching it. Next, fill in your values. Now I start filling in the values with white. And here is a tip that helps me a lot. If I squint my eyes, it helps me see the values much better. Remember to break it down into easy shapes. Here I'm using gray for my midtones. And here I keep on going back and forth with white. I make sure that I leave the darkest parts untouched. Here I go back to highlighting with white to build on it, instead of trying to do it all in one shot. Now I switch back to gray to work on those midtones. Doing more highlights with white. And remember that this is more like a dance, where you continue making corrections and adjustments as you work on your drawing. Switching to gray. Use black to make corrections or to soften your values. Putting your drawing upside down may help you see the shapes better. Here I'm just doing the final touches. Thanks for watching, and if you like this video, don't forget to like, sub and share. If you'd like to be notified every time I post a video, make sure to hit the bell.